Good morning, dear children. In today's grammar class, I am going to give you questions for your revision. Do it yourself, and in the next class, we will be discussing the answers. So, note the questions and write the answers in your copy. Here, the first set of questions. Turn the following sentences into indirect speech. What do you want? She asked him. Are you coming with us? He asked me. He asked, when do you intend to make the payment? Do you come from China? Said the prince to the girl. The poor man exclaimed, will none of you help me? Which way should I go? Asked the little girl. Aladdin said to the magician, what have I done to deserve so a severe punishment? Don't you know the way home? I said to her. Do you write a good hand? The teacher said to the student. Have you anything to say on behalf of the accused? Said the judge finally. Have you anything to tell me, little bird? Asked Ulysses. Who are you, sir, and what do you want? They asked. The king was impressed with the magician and asked, what can I do for you? She asked, what is it that makes you stronger and braver than other men? Can you solve this problem? He asked me. Children, before also you might have done this, but this is a revision. Try it again, and next week we'll be discussing the answers. Now, complete the sentences in reported speech. John said, I love this town. Second, do you like soccer? He asked me. I can't drive a lorry, he said. Be nice to your brother, he said. Don't be nasty, he said. Next one. Don't waste your money, she said to the boys. What have you decided to do? She asked him. I always wake up early, he said. You should revise your lessons, he said. Where were you born? He asked me. Now, coming to the next exercise. Join each of the following sentences by means of a suitable conjunction. It can be coordinate conjunction or subordinate conjunction. JR dances, her sister does not dance. Ananya hasn't come, Meeta hasn't come. She speaks English, she speaks Hindi. I like him, he is very sincere. He did not win, he worked hard. She is ill, she is cheerful. We decided to go out, it was raining. The piper played, the children danced. James works hard, his brother is lazy. I went to the shop, I bought some vegetables. Now let's see the next set of questions. That is, do as directed. Sunita confessed that she had been very stupid. The stranger inquired of me if I knew their way. He bade goodbye to his friends. Jitesh said, the traffic prevented me from coming to this place. The teacher said to the students, I shall prove now the earth moves around the sun. She told me that she could easily beat me in the badminton. He inquired of us whether we were attending the party that evening. Why did he snatch your books? No one should ever make a false statement. As soon as Mr. Das had seated himself, he called for the he called for coffee. So, one more exercise. You might have done this before. I told you this is a revision. Once again try and see that next week whether your answers are correct or not. change the degree of comparison. Malacca is the oldest town in Malaysia. Peter is cleverer than any other boy in the class. Jupiter is the biggest of all planets. Very few boys are as industrious as John. India is the largest democracy in the world. Shakespeare was greater than any other playwright. Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian kings. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Lead is heavier than any other metal. Very few animals are as useful as cow. So children, do it yourself and match with the answers which I am going to give you in the next week. Thank you. Have a good time.